Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. Before we start, I recommend to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network if you want to update the applications. And to do it, open the settings on your watch and tap on Wi-Fi, of course, in settings. So tap on Wi-Fi and here find the network, select it and then enter the password for the network. And then tap on connect, and once you connect your watch to the network, it will say connected, and then we can continue. And to update applications, rather install applications, my bad, open the menu, scroll through it, look for the AppGallery, tap on it, and here we have the AppGallery. And we can browse through the applications, look for something we like, and once you find the application you like, you can tap on it. And here we have details like screenshots, description, and stuff like that. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install. And as you can see, we need to sync our watch with the Huawei ID account. And to do that, your watch needs to be paired with a phone. And on that phone, you will need to open the Huawei Health application. Here you need to tap on sync. And now it will start syncing on the phone. And basically we need to tap on login. And once it's done, you're going to be back into this page, then tap on install again. I guess it's still going through the process. Oh, and now it's installing. Oh, it should be installing. It rebooted the app. And now if we check the app, tap on install. Okay, now it's installing. And after it's done installing, the install button will change to open and we can tap on it. And the application will open on our watch. At least it should. Okay, here we have it. Also, the icon for the app will appear in the menu right here, so you can open it by tapping on the icon. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.